Introducing the steel-toed boots at Michigan Tech. Since January, our team has been meeting weekly to work on creating our own replica of George Washington's Bailey Silver and Ivory hilted coteau. It has been great to see how our final sword turned out, and we are excited to share our design process. To complete this process, we got the chance to work with Temperform and are extremely grateful for all of their help. Let's take a look at our initial modeling that was done before casting. Once our models were completed, patterns were made with 3D printing to create sand molds that were then to be used in casting. Once we received our as-cast swords, the team got ready to put the hours in and get grinding to sharpen our blade. Once we finished preparing the blade and polishing it, we got ready to work on finishing our handle. Finally, the best and last step was attaching the handle to the tang of the sword, leaving us with a beautiful replica of the Bailey Silver and Ivory hilted coteau.